Welcome to this video series on developing applications with SharePoint 2013. My name is Tom Kinser of Done Training. I am a Microsoft certified developer and trainer in SharePoint, SQL Server, BizTalk, web, and Windows development using C#. I have worked primarily in the medical industry building applications for financial management and research analysis, as well as training thousands of students to use development tools such as Visual Studio 2010 and 2012. I have worked with Mark Dunn of Done Training for the last 10 years, providing training and consulting services, and a Microsoft certified trainer for 18 years. My experience with SharePoint goes back to the first release in 2001, and I'm always eager to work with the newest release. SharePoint 2013 is an excellent platform to host web applications and provide connections for remote client applications. Now Visual Studio 2012 makes it even easier to build and deploy these applications. Okay, we're going to start off by navigating to SharePoint Central Admin, Application Management, and we're going to create a new site collection. So under Site Collections, the first link is Create Site Collections. And this will be our location for our new developer site. So I'm going to name it Developer Site. Site for App Development is my description. And then I'll just simply name it DEV. Notice, make sure that you choose the template that's new to 2013 called Developer Site under Collaboration. And I will assign this to Administrator to be the primary site collection administrator. Check the name, valid, and click OK to create. So let's see how this is done. We're going to update that web page, deploy the app to the SharePoint site. Now I closed the page previously, but it's under Pages, default.aspx. We can double click it to reopen it. Now in later videos, we're going to see how we can deploy this app and not just simply host it in the default.aspx page, but make it available to other sites. But we need to make sure it works fine before we do that. So notice the page that we're looking at here. It's obviously an ASP.NET page, we can tell by the top, and it's working within SharePoint. If you scroll down, you'll find a placeholder called Placeholder Main. There is a div currently in here. We're not going to touch that. We'll let that stay exactly the way it would normally appear. But just under it, before the closing tag of the ASP content, we're going to type in the code we showed earlier, and that is setting up a web part zone and a list view web part. In the toolbox, you're not going to